ShinPo is a system. It is something which is quite old, but really things which matter don't change. So we have to learn about the rules of life, we have to learn about the rules of nature, and we have to be the one who will apply it into our own life. If we miss out at just one of these, we won't be the ones who are going to be happy and successful. So there is people who understand them, but mostly they don't want to teach you what you have to do. But if you understand nature, you can figure it out by yourself. Maybe you need some hints, and this is what we do. We try to give people the informations they have to understand to be able to use the full potential of their life. Everyone has them inside. We just have to be the one who are willing and interested to get this knowledge out so we can use it. So, what is it? Is it motivational? No. Is it some secret knowledge? Well, everything is secret as long as you don't know how to use the knowledge. But as soon as you understand it, nothing is a secret anymore. And you can use it in a daily life. And this is what you're supposed to do. You have to see how to use everything which is inside you to get whatever you desire in the outside of you. So, you have to be the one who has the interest, and you have to commit to yourself to understand that you are the one who is the only one who can say what it is you want to experience in your life. The system, the ShinPo system, is just a tool. And if you learn how to use that, you can create whatever you want to experience in the outside world.